Welcome back to the channel, guys. Easy Crypto here. So today we're going to just talk about some of the market sentiment that's going on and what Bitcoin is doing, what projects I'm currently looking at investing in or investing in as we speak, guys. So what has Bitcoin been doing over the course of the last couple of days? As you can see, something that's never happened before has happened. So we've closed a weekly candle at our highest level ever, guys. So that is super bullish, and I feel like this is the next start of the push up, guys. We're at all-time highs. We're in price discovery mode, and that technical analysis isn't going to work at these levels if we continue rising, guys. It's pretty good news in my opinion, and alts are flying. So wicked news, and congratulations if you're in the market, guys, because that's what we need to be at this time. We need to be in the market, have our feet wet, ready for these alts to pump. So where are we now? We're still pushing, guys, to 72,327, as you can currently see. I'll just move this out of the way so you can see what's cracking with the chart. As you can see here, this is our previous close of a candle, which is nowhere near. So on the weekly, guys, we've closed at around this $69,000 region, which is super bullish. Never done that before in the history of Bitcoin, which is wicked. Now I'm going to move on to some market sentiment. Right, I don't want to waste too much time on this, but I feel like it is a good opportunity for us to see what other people are talking about in the markets, just to provide you my kind of perspective on what's going on. So here's my Twitter, guys. So here we go. So these are a few tweets that I've actually reshared that I do think are really interesting, and you guys should follow these people as well. But this is just showing the market sentiment, where everyone's at the minute, guys. Usually once Bitcoin breaks an all, so this is by Crypto Rover, who I absolutely love. He's a brilliant guy. So usually once Bitcoin breaks its all-time high, alt season starts just in 2 to 3 weeks later. Are you prepared? Now, this is what I've been banging on about for a while now. I feel like everyone's waiting for this correction to come. It's not come yet, and who knows if we will actually get a correction in Bitcoin price, guys. At the minute, we're still pumping. And if this is the case, altcoin season starts in 2 to 3 weeks later, you better be positioned correctly, because otherwise you're going to miss out on some fantastic opportunities to make yourself rich in this coming bull cycle, guys, which is coming very soon. I do believe it potentially alt season is coming sooner than we prepared for, guys. So at least we've got some skin in the game and we know where we're going. So here we go. This is another thing that I've reshared from Watcher Guru. Definitely follow Watcher Guru. Brilliant information. Bitcoin surpasses the Swiss franc to become the 13th largest currency in the world. Now, more bullish news, guys. This is super interesting. To surpass the Swiss franc, to become the 13th largest currency in the world. When are people going to actually switch on and think, right, guys, Bitcoin isn't a scam? That's when, I mean, when are people going to start that? But to be honest, it works in our favor, doesn't it? We were in before everyone else. Another one, Crypto, just in, Bitcoin surpassed silver in the market cap. So silver, we're now at number 8, guys. Bitcoin has surpassed silver. Super bullish. Another great bit of market sentiment, guys. Something I have reshared as well. I'll talk about this later in the video, but to everyone who said Hello Labs was a rug and it was a crap project, have a look what's happened today. We're up 57, nearly 60%, guys, on the day. So whoever's, I'd like to see if you sold your hello, commiserations, guys, but during that dip I was buying more. During that massive dip I was buying more. So I hope you guys were too, and listening to what I was saying about Hello Labs and how bullish it is. In my opinion, it could still 100x from these prices, guys. Crypto Rover sold his Bitcoin to go all in on Ethereum. Like I said, more stuff from Hello Labs. And then another bit of market sentiment I wanted to make as well. So Bitcoin did test their previous all-time high twice, and on the third time it broke through. So we've normally done it we've normally tested a lot more times the all-time high and then broken through, but only 3 times this time, guys. So as you see, Mags here, absolutely brilliant, need to follow him. Broke out above all-time high in 6 days after its first test. I don't think that's correct, is it? I swear it was 3 times. This is the fastest break of all time than we have seen in the Bitcoin cycle. It's going to be the biggest bull run of all time. So obviously, more great market sentiment. Right. So let's move on to the picks that I'm going to talk about today, which I am currently still buying or super bullish on. And if you're not already invested in something like this, it's a good time to actually do some research about these particular projects, get some skin in the game before they start pumping majorly. Some of them haven't pumped yet, guys. So the first one I want to talk about is Hello Labs, right? So we're up 30%. Well, so we've had a slight market correction. We were up massively, 67%. Now we've come back down to 37%. But right on the week we're up 52%, monthly 20%. So we're doing pretty well, guys. We had a massive dip. If we actually look at the chart, all-time chart, we'll see on the chart that we had a huge correction. So we did push 21 cents. Now we're down to 12 cents. So if you were buying these regions down here, if you're still buying these regions down here, it's a massive opportunity to get into the market in this such a good project. Paul Caslin's doing an amazing job of bringing this project up into top tier levels, guys. Now, people were flooding this project massively when we saw a massive correction in the market. The reason for this is because the Killer Whale show had been coming out, and we've seen it. People were saying it was a bit of a flop. Nothing to look forward to now, right? But that is the biggest load of bullshit I've heard personally. It's actually a working product. People are flooding a working product. Most of these other projects that are coming out, right stream, etc., they haven't even got a TV show that's out yet. Hello Labs is actually doing the business. They've actually produced a working show, and it's actually on now being shown on Amazon Prime. I mean, how much more bullish can you get from a crypto perspective? Like, it's bringing more eyes to the world of cryptocurrency on a massive platform, bigger than anything else. So I'm still super bullish about this project. I still personally think this can do 50 to 100x in the bull cycle. And it's easy to understand as well. Normies are going to get this. Once retail comes back in the space, Hello Labs is going to absolutely fly. And Paul Caslin is a brilliant CEO of the company. I'm glad he's taken over. And I can only expect... I mean, we're only at $72 million market cap, guys. There's meme coins bigger than this, way bigger than this. So I can only see this as an upside. You know, the only thing is on the Ethereum network. I'm sure you can't. They've started to say you can buy it on different networks now. I'm pretty sure. Can you buy it on BNB? Yeah, you can. So I was going to say that's the only thing. Ethereum's not great for gas fees and all that. But Hello Labs, brilliant project. Where are we looking to go with Hello Labs? So, just on the newsfeed, we're excited to announce that Killer Whales is now available on Prime Video. 200 million Amazon Prime users can now binge watch the first ever crypto reality show to hit mainstream TV. I will be checking this out. I did not know this had happened, but it's only 7 hours ago. So I'm going to repost that. Love Hello. You guys know that I love it over Rightstream. Obviously, Rightstream's good. Hello's a working product. So there we go. It's making another massive bit of market sentiment, makes its debut. Killer Whales makes its debut on Apple TV, Google Play, and all these other major mainstream TV channels, guys. Which is how good can you get? We're excited. And some more big news from Hello. Hello is coming to Solana. We're excited for the Solana community to experience the Hello ecosystem. If you're paying attention closely to the cryptocurrency space at the minute, which I presume you are because you're watching my channel, Solana is probably the hottest chain at the minute, in my opinion. It's got the meme coins, all the meme coins that are popping off are on Solana. So obviously, Hello Labs has kind of figured that out, and they've excited to bring Hello to Solana, right? Plans to take advantage of the liquidity pool unlocked next week and rebalance the LP across BNB on Solana, right? So it's more easily available. So it's actually coming to Solana blockchain, which is absolutely brilliant. People are bullish still now about it, 100x from here. Sentiment's turning round from FUD into bullish news, guys, which is super cool. So obviously, it's one of my favorite picks. I'm heavily invested in it, and it's doing really well. Now, this is a project GT protocol, which I mentioned the other day, which I've just bought a load of. We are actually up on day 2%, on the week up 17%. It ripped when I bought it right down here. Happy with the purchase. GT protocol, you guys know what it's about. It's incubated by ChainGPT, which I'm super bullish about. Quickly show you the website again. I've spoken about this on a previous video, but this has got, the reason why I like this is because I love ChainGPT. I'm still invested in ChainGPT, and that's given me some massive returns. But I do think that people will actually use this product. It's another thing that AI personally is AI memes at the moment are the things that are popping off. So I wanted to be investing in more AI projects. This is a great project. Obviously, you can do brilliant things with this. It's an AI portfolio management software which can manage your portfolio for you. You can speak to it. It can perform actions for you. If you wanted to trade between cryptocurrencies, you can speak to it. It will then provide you with the best fees to take the trade, and it will do it for you. You can come on here. You can actually, if you wanted to purchase, say, some headphones or something like that, it will come and find the best prices for you. It's a brilliant project. You can sell your own NFTs, create your own NFTs. You can set trading information through AI, which is absolutely brilliant. It's just a brilliant platform that is easy to understand. It's going to have loads of adoption from retail investments, and it's a super low price. Check it out, guys. It's $4.72. Market cap still massively low. 36 million for a contract for project like this is low, and it's on BNB. So have a look at it. I've recently invested 17% up on the day, guys, which is brilliant, and also on the 7 days, which is brilliant. Perfect opportunity. Right, the next coin I want to talk about, guys, Salama. I've spoken about this a couple of times, and like I said, I invested in this project before Christmas. It's a meme coin, and you probably know about it now because it's absolutely ripped. We're up still 40% on the day. Over 7 days, we've had 2,225%, and on the month, 5,231%. This thing is ripping, and people are sleeping on this. People aren't even mentioning this in their meme coin videos, and I think they're sleeping on it because majority of meme coins, they don't have any kind of utility, but this actually has some utility, right? I've been going on about this for the last few days. It's on the Solana network, right? It's supposed to be the unofficial mascot of Solana, right? I'm going to quickly take you to the website. I've shown you this before. It's the unofficial Solana mascot. They've got Solana merch if you want to buy a t-shirt with it on. If I make a shitload of money, I'll probably get a t-shirt, guys. I'm not gonna lie. And here's obviously NFTs, and you can play a game. They've actually got a game out which you can play on PC, mobile, etc., etc. They've actually been audited by 2 separate companies. I know you can pay for audits. Still super bullish. Total supply 2% burn. There you go. If you want to buy it, come up here, solana.vip, and then come and token address, and you can buy it on Jupiter, buy it with use your Phantom wallet to buy it, guys. So, and here we go. Look, this project is actually massively outperforming a lot of meme coins and a lot of coins in general. Obviously, it's really risky. I've made substantial money off this. I think it's been at least a 60x I've made on this project. I wish I invested more, but we can. We'll take it. We'll take it, guys. So let's have a quick look. Some information regarding Salama that I wanted to show you, right? So this guy obviously is the owner, Bader. He's the owner of the project. He's the CEO. He's actually backing this project a lot, obviously, but he's paying for partnerships. He's outwardly going out there and getting exchange listings. He's paying for exchange listings up front. And he's looking for a tier 1 exchange now. And I do actually believe him. Obviously, don't put all your money into this. If you want to have a little gamble with it, that's fine. But he is saying Salama's back to the 10 cents. $1 is only 10x from here. Salama, the unofficial Salama mascot, right, guys? So, if you want to have a dabble, it's already up massively. Obviously, so super risky. but 10x from here is actually, personally believe that's massively doable considering where other meme coins are at this point in time. I can only see this going higher. Obviously, do your own research. If it does reach, you know, $1, you'll be thanking me because I've let you know about this project, guys. Yeah, it looks like they've got some brilliant marketing going on regarding Salama as well, which is super bullish. And here's another thing, I've reposted this earlier on. Salama update, we're negotiating with several tier 1 exchanges, which is super bullish. Centralized exchanges, tier 1 centralized exchanges, have no idea what, but if it does get on a tier 1, it's going to absolutely rock it. Mexi is coming out on the 14th of March, which is brilliant. And they've already got a Bitmart and a BitTrue stealth limit exchange listing, guys. Over 22k holders. Another big marketing push is being organized. We're just getting started. Hodl, and let's take Salama to 1 billion plus market cap, which personally think it can do. Not financial advice at all. Personally, do believe this project is massively undervalued. And so, guys, obviously I've spoken about Mintlayer before. Mintlayer is a brilliant project, and this is actually one that you can get into now and know that you're going to get decent returns from because it hasn't pumped. Something that hasn't pumped isn't necessarily a bad project, guys. I think this is still an excellent project, and it's an even better time to get in on this particular project, guys. Mintlayer is a layer 2 protocol built on the Bitcoin blockchain, and it brings obviously DeFi and decentralization to the Bitcoin network, guys, which is super bullish. And it's massively undervalued at $32 million, in my opinion. We haven't seen a pump from this particular coin at all yet, and it is going to happen at some point, especially in the next couple of weeks. I do believe we're seeing a brilliant opportunity to buy in low, guys, here. Obviously, we're comparing it with the likes of Polygon. If we did, it's like 100x from here, in my opinion, because that's obviously the layer 2 for Ethereum, isn't it? Yes, we were comparing it with Polygon. Obviously, this is a great pick to pick up now. I want to quickly show you where I believe this can go, and I don't want to take too much time with this video, but I'm just going to quickly run on here. So if we just type in Mintlayer, and we will go on to Polygon. So Matic, this is mad. So Mintlayer with Matic's current market cap is a 322x, all-time high at 569x. Potentially could do this, who knows? But obviously I'll be taking profits a long time before this. But I do believe these projects are going to absolutely skyrocket. And my last pick, obviously before we run over time, is going to be Casper, guys. Casper has been consolidating now for a decent amount of time, and I still think it's very good prices, to be perfectly honest. It's at 15 cents at the moment. It's going to, in my opinion, it's going to rocket from these particular price ranges. I'll just quickly show you the chart. Don't want to waste too much time on this, but as you can see, we called the little breakout here previously, and where are we heading from here? This has been consolidating for a while, so we just take you over to the daily. Look, so we've been consolidating for the whole of March. Yeah, so basically the whole of February, whole of March, we've been consolidating here. We can see a nice slight downtrend here. This is a brilliant buy zone to pick up any Casper. If we obviously come down from these zones, we'll shoot a little bit lower, but can't see this coming down any further. This is a great time to pick it up. Your DCA bagged. You should have been DCAing around here, obviously around these levels, around the 13 cents, 11 cents, 10 cents even when I was picking it up. Now, still a brilliant opportunity. It's definitely the safest risk to reward, in my opinion, out of all of cryptocurrency. Casper, you guys know Oliver, pick some up if you want it. Now is probably going to be, over the next course of the next month, it's probably going to be never going to see these levels ever again, guys. So for the risk to reward, Casper is definitely the one you want to be doing. You want to have a lot of your portfolio in this particular project if you want to have that security in your portfolio without being too risky, guys. So that's what I've got for you today, but please like and subscribe, and I will bring you some more good content in the coming days. It obviously means a lot to me. I'm trying to bring my followers up a little bit more, but yeah, let us know in the comments what you want me to talk about, and obviously I will try my best to cover those, and I'll see you on the next video, guys. Thanks.